Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. uh Here I'm just trying to make my hair contour. Here in Germany you hardly get who to fix your hair for you, even though you see they are so expensive, and at the end you might not get exactly what you want. So my hair is not looking nice right now because of postpartum hair loss. So I just decided to braid them together so that I won't be combing it every day. Yeah, just watch and rate my efforts. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, comment. Okay guys, bye, thanks.